Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find the first link saying trade like institutions and make 300 pips in one trade. And if you have patience to trade like institutions or positional traders, check out the first link. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, check out the brokers and join free Telegram for sure. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly you can see here, daily you can see right here. This is daily and then this is 4 hour. Okay, so look for shorts after each pullback. That's the status of Euro USD right now. Then you can join institutional trading mentorship program right here. And if you want to know why am I saying what I'm saying, for example, I'm telling you that look for shorts. If you don't know why, then join the mentorship. All right, take care.